Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a new entry and how to keep track of your daily beverage intake on the BodyFast application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on this Me button down below, which is the second option. Click on Progress at the top of the screen on the left side, and then scroll down a bit, and here you can see the water drunk section. So if you have drank a glass of water and you would like to indicate it, tap on this plus icon. As you can see, it has to be 3 deciliters of water. And if you tap on this More button, you can also set the water tracker options and settings. So here you will be able to check out how many water you have drunk today or this day, and here you can see the percentage in the goal section and also the measurement indicated at the top. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.